I am going to show you if this Nooro massager is legit or not with proof. So let's start. So first of all, we will check the about us section of the website. In the about us section, you will see they have written their website was founded in 2022, which is true. Their website was founded in August 2022. So this is a valid point about them. So let's see further. You can see they have written what they exactly sell on the website. So that's also another good point about them, but they have not told if this is their they made this product or not. You will see the product. On the product you will see there is no branding of Nuro. So this looks like a Chinese product they have just bought from China, imported, and they are reselling it, looks like that. And now the products, we will see there are 169 reviews on this product. And if you will check the reviews here, you will see all of the reviews are 5-star reviews on the website. So there is a, what's the catch here? The catch here is that this product is being resold from China. You can see this is available on literally many websites: Nuro US, Nuro AU, this is My Shopify, this is Repiit, and each and every of them are selling by their own brand name. You can see Repiit Australia and Cubicbee, Shesona, Nuro, Hairfee, they are all selling the same product. So this is not a something unique. I would suggest you not to buy from any of these websites. If this is available on Amazon, then only you can buy. One more thing, they have uploaded a video on their YouTube channel, Nooro US, the doctor's review of Nooro's whole body massager. But in reality, in the video, the doctor said the doctor recommended the eye care whole body massager, not the Nooro body massager. So this is also another point. This is